Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to Heart Rock in Okinawa. This is a really touristy area, I'm noticing. Tons of tourists here. I'm just kind of in the back where no one else really is, but you can see a little bit of people behind me. Most of them are over that way. I wanted to show you guys Heart Rock. This is kind of a known thing in Okinawa, and you can determine whether or not it's something you want to come check out when and if you're here. Let's show you guys what this Heart Rock really is. So Heart Rock, I found out, is actually these two rocks behind me at a certain angle. The negative space between them make a upside down heart shape. Kind of a stretch, but I'll show you guys. It actually is kind of crazy how many tourists are here right now. It is a Sunday. I think a lot of them might be from mainland Japan because there's a lot of re and wa license plates, and those are rent-a-cars. So. Come check this place out.
I don't know.
Well, actually I wouldn't recommend it, honestly.
Yeah, this place wasn't like that great.
Like, the beach was nice, but there's beaches that are just as nice without a heart-shaped rock. And because of that, there's like nobody there.
Well, I wouldn't even consider this a heart. It's an upside down heart.
Upside down heart between two rocks? Yeah, I guess. I mean, if you flip it upside down, it's kind of cool.
Oh wait, is that the heart shape?
So this is our next stop, Kouri Island. This is actually the bridge entering Kouri Island, and there's a beach right underneath it. So we're gonna go check it out because the heart-shaped rock wasn't really that exciting, at least in our opinion, but this beach is actually really pretty underneath the bridge. Holy crap, there's a bug on the screen. Got it. So behind me you could see the tower building, the beach tower. It's an observatory. So we're walking across the bridge right now, and it's gotta be really noisy for you guys. Hopefully you can hear me. That we're on the highway. There's all kinds of cars. This part of the island is actually really pretty, and from the bridge here you can see how crystal blue this water is and how vibrant these hills and mountains are. We ended up getting some really nice profile pictures for Ryukyu, the brand, because Kit's wearing our Ryukyu hat and shirt. So, where are we going now, baby?
I'm gonna go to Family Mart, I'm hungry.
Family Mart meal. So we just finished going to this island. This has been another very eventful day. I just spit on you guys. Did you guys see that? Is it on the lens? Actually, Kit just mentioned this. For you OG people that used to live in Okinawa that remember Coco's Bakery, it was a convenience store. There was Lawson's, Family Mart, and there was Coco's, which was very similar, except the difference was it had its own bakery and amazing bakery bread. Anyway, they went out of business about 9 years ago, something like that. I forgot what year it was, maybe 2011 or something.
Did you pull that out of your ass? Because I don't remember that.
No, I looked it up
Oh,
a while back. It was a while back I looked it up. If you don't remember Coco's Bakery, it's okay. But this Family Mart that took over this old Coco's Bakery convenience store actually left the bakery. So they used the bakery, and this particular Family Mart actually makes their own baked goods. So it's not just the packaged stuff that you normally see at Family Mart. It's that stuff plus freshly made stuff that they make in their bakery. It's really cool to see. I'm gonna show you guys in a second. I thought I'd try this banana karupisu because I like karupisu a lot. So, and bananas are good. And here is our awesome hamburgers.
Yes, they actually do have good hamburgers.
Smells good. And you said it was amazing, huh?
Mm-hmm. Well, you had it last time and you said it was amazing. And then I had it and I was like, oh my god, that is amazing.
This is one of the better hamburgers like in Okinawa. It's weird to say. It's at a Family Mart.
And it's cheap.
A bakery Family Mart that used to be a Coco's. It's cheap, but so much better than fast food hamburgers for sure.
Yeah.
I don't know, it tastes like a restaurant hamburger, to be honest.
It's so good. I think it's got fried onion chips in it.
Mm-hmm. The hamburger is cooked perfectly. It has a really good flavor. And yeah, there's like onions inside the hamburger, inside the patty itself. And then I think there's like crispy onions. So guys, thank you for the journey. That's it for today's episode. Subscribe if you want more. And see you in the next video.